Trial begins in the Bronx in an accident that killed 15 people last year. Last year, Ophadell Williams was driving a coach bus coming from the Mohegan Sun Casino in Connecticut, carrying 32 passengers when he lost control, resulting in the death of 15 passengers, reported on the New York Times in September 27, 2012 article. The defendant had neither been on drugs nor had he been drinking. This was the result of the defendant being deprived of sleep. Instead of resting prior to his trip, he had been driving throughout the city in a rental car. Mr. Williams now faces charges of manslaughter and negligent homicide in criminal court. The attorney for the defendant claims that his client lost control after a tractor-trailer cut in front of him. Meanwhile, the district attorney on the case stated that nothing regarding the tractor-trailer was reported on the report, instead highlighting the fact that the defendant was an experienced bus driver who was aware of the risks involved in driving while being deprived of sleep. The defendant has been in prison since September of 2011 and can face a maximum of 7.5 to 15 years in jail. On the night of the accident, the defendant dropped off passengers at the casino, had a meal and a nap. At approximately 3:45 p.m., the bus began its trip back. At times, the bus was traveling at its maximum speed, 28 miles faster than 50-mile posted speed limit. On the final minutes leading up to the accident, the bus's data recorder showed that the driver had his foot on the gas pedal the entire time leading up to the accident. Many died instantly in the crash, and 2 died later on. The attorney for the defendant believes that the company, which is no longer operating, should be the one in the criminal court and not his defendant.